Hello, everybody. Today is Thursday, May 21st. Hope you guys are doing great today. My message for you guys today is believe. And what I want to say with that word is believe in yourself. Know that you are doing your best and you are trying and you are succeeding. And if not succeeding, then you can believe in yourself that you can try again and make it work, whatever you're trying at. Believe in yourself, and in addition to that, believe in others, believe in those around you. Um, when I used to play baseball, sometimes there would be a friend who would come up to bat, and I would just think, "Oh man, this kid, he's not going to get a hit. This guy's pitching too fast for him. He's not going to get a hit. He's not going to get us another run." And then, oftentimes I was surprised. My friend would get a hit, and we would score more runs, and we would do good. So always have faith, believe in yourself and those around you. Okay. Weird but true too. About 12,000 animal crackers are created every minute. I wonder if you have a favorite type of animal cracker. I know I do. I like the ones that come in the little box with the string on them. Barnum and Bailey, I think it is. But those, my grandfather, Alexa, used to always buy us those boxes. I just always liked them since, still do. About 1/10 of the Earth's surface is covered in ice. Melts a little bit more each year, though, right? All the stuff going on in our environment. A quick-handed performer twisted 747 balloon sculptures in 1 hour. Houseflies buzz in the key of F. So our fun fact is going to be this one. Our fun extra credit question. If that performer had 4 hours, how many balloon sculptures would the performer have made in 4 hours? Okay, if we made the same amount each of those hours, 747 in 4 hours for those. All right. So as far as our project goes, actually, real quick, our pickup today is 1:30 to 3 o'clock as for third grade. But if you have a sibling who is younger, you can go at that time and just get your stuff as well. You don't have to make 2 trips. Okay, we don't want to make that difficult on you. All right. So come at either younger siblings' time or your time. Okay, 1:30 to 3 is our third grade time. The Dragon projects are looking great. I see the graphs are looking good. I hope you're having fun with them. We would go on that hill behind the school, behind my room, and fly them up there if we were at school. I have tape measures. I would take 2 of them and stretch them out as far as they go. And then we'd fly them and we'd record the flights for each other, actually. Okay. So making the launch pad, and that's all in the distance learning document, the whole file there. Do that to your wings, attach them to your clothespin or whatever you have. I think someone used a clip the other day, and that was a great idea too. And if you don't have anything like that, just give it something like a clothespin or something that has a little bit of weight, even if it's like a chip clip or something like that. Okay, so just a little bit of weight, it'll fly decent for you. Then if it has a little bit of weight to it, okay. Attach the wings on the top. Some people attach them on the bottom, but that's usually where you want to grip your dragon. So usually the top works best. All right. Oh, okay. I'll show you the board real quick here. Okay. Extra credit for today is something we would have done. We would have done this at school. There's a whole nother series of graphing that we would have done. But find something like a hula hoop or something else circular, or even if it's square, just something with an opening, and try to launch your dragon in 10 tries. How many times can it get through the hula hoop or whatever you're using? And write it like a fraction. If you make it through 7 times, it would be 7/10 or 7 out of 10. And because it's out of 10, you know your percentage too. It would be 70. Okay, so take that dragon, fly it through. I try to get through 10 times. If you get 10 out of 10, 10 out of 10 is 100%. Okay, so if it's out of 10, you know your percentage too. If you get it through only 2 times, it's not what you want probably, but 2 out of 10 is 20%. Okay, you'll talk more about that in 4th grade. All right. Awesome. Okay, today's other memory is, I'm going to show you these little cars from my memory box. This one says Raisin Bran. This one says Frosted Mini Wheats. This one says Apple Jacks. And last but not least, this one says Corn Pops. Actually, one of my favorites right there. Yum, yum. So back in the day, when I was a kid, you used to cut these little things out from the bottom, these UPC symbols, which are those things you can scan to see how much things cost. And you have to mail them in after you ate so many boxes with the form and try to get those little trucks. So it took a lot of cereal, but that's okay. As a kid, I ate a lot of cereal, even as a young adult, and I still do. I used to eat cereal dry or with milk. I used to love it. It was a great snack. It was sugary and it was delicious, which probably my dentist loved that I ate that cereal. All right, you guys have a great day. I will be there from 1:30 to 3 in the gym, bringing things from the gym to the people outside who are loading you guys up. Have the sign. Put a sign in your window if you're coming with your last name and your room number. So if you're in my homeroom, room 12. If you're in Mrs. Bates's, you write room 11. All right, you guys have a great day. Miss you. Bye.